Hello and welcome to Spotlight On. I'm your host, Catherine Falk. The George Mason University School of Business provides students with the essential tools for understanding the complexities of modern society and the global marketplace. Becoming an entrepreneur is very much a part of these studies. And here to tell us about this is the Director of Social Impact, Lisa Green-Pemble. Lisa, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Catherine.
Tell us about the students you serve.
Sure, we're really diverse. We have about 35,000 students. They hail from all 50 states and 130 countries. About a third of our students are recipients of Pell Grants, another third are first-generation college students, and half identify as minorities. And this is important because the diversity in the demographics complements diversity in thought and experience, and all those unique perspectives together feed into the entrepreneurial spirit that's become the hallmark of the George Mason University community.
And so why is it important to teach these concepts to undergrads?
For a number of reasons, but I'll mention two today. The first is employers are demanding entrepreneurial thinking. They want career-ready graduates who can think creatively, communicate clearly, and collaborate effectively. And entrepreneurship is the perfect way to cultivate these qualities because by necessity, entrepreneurs have to think creatively. They must communicate clearly. They inevitably rely on teams, and they're succeeding through determination and persistence. A second reason is because it fuels lifelong learning among our students. So you've probably read the same news articles I have about how artificial intelligence and robots are going to wipe out many of the current jobs that we have today, and that many of them aren't even going to exist in the next 10 to 15 years. And while a recent Forbes article I read said, well, that might be a little overstated, it did caution about the importance of thinking of work as we know it differently. And so creative intelligence or entrepreneurial thinking really makes us adapt differently to the workplace.
So what is the School of Business doing to teach these concepts?
Sure. So inside the classroom, the School of Business offers opportunities for all students across Mason, regardless of major. We recognize that the problems that we face as a global society are bigger than one discipline. And we want our business students to be well-rounded scholars who are prepared to act precisely because they rubbed elbows with philosophers or global health advocates or engineers or scientists. And so we offer courses and an entrepreneurship minor to encourage that collision. And then I would say outside of the classroom, students can take advantage, and so can alumni, of our Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. We have a makerspace where students can break and build, a Mason Innovation Lab that provides seed funding and great feedback from industry leaders to students. And we have a Dean's Business Competition, which provides cash prizes and also offers invaluable feedback to our students and alumni who participate.
That's great. And do you have any examples of really blending the classroom with these extracurricular activities?
Yeah, recently we have started a honeybee initiative at George Mason University. It's a collaborative venture between the College of Science and the business school. And that might sound strange, bees in a business school, but think about it, because bees are intimately connected to food security, the economy, and national security. Bees pollinate 1/3 of every bite that we eat, and they contribute $15 billion to agriculture. So imagine your produce section of your local grocery store being virtually decimated, essentially. And so bees are dying at alarming rates, and our human survival depends upon them. And so it's really important that we apply the business principles that we're teaching students to this model to improve bee health. So we're integrating it into the classroom to have a curriculum, a business that students can run, and working with industry leaders like Chef Jose Andres and Covanta and Fairfax to make a difference in our region.
Wonderful. Lisa, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And for more information about Mason's School of Business and entrepreneurial support, please visit their website. For Spotlight On, I'm Catherine Falk.